Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really cool layered paper craft for you. This is my American Eagle layered paper craft. Isn't that so fun? The American flag kind of goes across the body there. There's the mountains and that fun little sky in the background. Of course, all wrapped around this wonderful eagle. I will say that this has some intricate parts, so just keep that in mind going forward. However, it is super simple to put together. I can't wait to show it to you. So let's grab our materials and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project was part of Summer Craft Party 2023. To get the cut file for this project, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass at thebeardedhousewife.com/SCP23. If you're interested in only this project, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop. I have links to both options in the description box below. No matter which option you choose, you'll want to make sure you download the cut file, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that the design has been brought into our canvas. One thing that I want to mention is that I have sized this appropriately to fit as large as we possibly can within the CRICUT cutting mat. The cutting mat surface is 11.5 by 11.5 inches for a 12 by 12 mat. So I have sized that appropriately so that it can be as large as possible. If you're going to be using this for a card or for a different purpose, you might want to resize the project. To do that, just make sure to have the proportions locked, and then you can change the width and the height as needed. Since my project is sized appropriately, I'm going to go ahead and click the Make It button. And you can see the different mats for this project. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, now that I have all of the pieces cut out, I'm going to go ahead and start to assemble. So I'm just going to start with the pink layer, the cream layer, then the brown, blue, red, and dark blue. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these together, so I will refer you to that. I will go ahead and speed up the video while I do that, and I'll show you what it looks like when I am all done. Okay, I have it all layered together. Our American Eagle layered paper craft is all set. Isn't that so cool? I really, really love it. Really neat. What did you think of this one? Isn't it so neat? If you're fortunate enough to have a 12 by 24 cutting mat and then cardstock, you could blow this design up much larger and create a very large 4th of July decoration. I think it's so, so cool. As you can see, there were some intricate cuts, so I would recommend that you make sure that your blade is clean, that your mat is like I had mentioned, this does have some intricate cuts, so I would make sure that your blade and your mat are clean. Use a brayer when you're attaching your cardstock to your card mat, and you should be just fine. Your weeding tool is going to be your friend for this one. Make sure to share a photo of your project with me, whether that be in our Facebook groups, our member groups, or through email. I can't wait to see your creations. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife. I'll see you at the next summer craft party video. Bye!